print your search bar from your music app and put this right here on your story. Hello guys, and welcome to this channel. So in this video I will show you how you can do this viral Instagram add yours change story trend. So keep on watching. First of all, you have to go on your Instagram app, then click on the search bar and then search for Ali and John YTT. Then from here you have to go to July add yours at highlights. So it's right here. Then you have to tap until you find your desired story. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you have to wait until the end of the video, which will last only a few seconds, because I will first show you how you can do the story, and afterwards, once I will be done with this, I will show you from where you can get that YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem if you cannot click on the add yours button. So now you can go to your upload and choose a background photo. So you have to go to your Spotify or YouTube or another music app that you use most often, and then from there you have to go to your search bar, and I will show you right now how I did. So I went to my Spotify, and then you have to click on your search bar, and then you have to screenshot your recent searches, and then you have to use this screenshot to your Instagram story. So I will go ahead and do that. Now you can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller, place it in the right, left, just like this. And then once you're happy with it, you just have to share it with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Ali and John account. And then from here, you have to go to super viral, this time at highlights. So it's right here. And you will find this first story, which is not able to click on the add yours button. Then you can click on this YouTube link right here, and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 minutes. It's super easy to follow, and it will definitely help you. So make sure to click on that if you have trouble by clicking on the add yours button. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can comment in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching once again. Have a great day. Bye bye.